I gave a presentation today to a group of founders, and someone asked me a question and I gave an answer. And now that I think about it, I don't like the answer I gave. I have a different answer, so I thought I'll share it in this video with you. The question was, what can we do if our project management meetings are dry? For example, our startup meetings. And I was trying real time to try to figure out how to make meetings, especially stand-ups and project management, less dry. But after the session, it occurred to me, if your meetings are dry, it is because you're not leveraging the brain power of your participants or yours. If your meetings are dry, you're most probably doing information sharing, status updates. You're not solving problems. You're not defining goals, you're not developing ideas, you're not making decisions, and you're not really doing project management. When I do project management meetings with my assistant, for example, every week, these meetings are not dry. We will go through our Trello board and we'll go through the projects, but it's not around updating each other. It's around problem solving, real time, and planning, and we're coming up with ideas of executing, and we're agreeing on things. And if it's a real project management meeting, you will be using your brain power, you and the participants, and it won't be dry. Let me know your thoughts.